In this video, we are going to see 5th Standard English, Term 1, Unit 1, Exploring Space. Lesson 1, Earth the Desolated Home. Before getting to the lesson, let us see some words and their meanings. Sol, Martian solar day, a Martian day. Capsule, a small cylinder-shaped bed. Hab, habitat or human settlement. Fuels, an energy source for engines, power plants or reactors. Adapting, modify, readjust. Survival, to remain alive. Terraform, a process by which the surface and climate would be changed to make the environment suitable to humans. Scientists, an expert in science. Let us get into the lesson now. Earth the Desolated Home. We all know there are 8 planets in the solar system. Earth is the planet on which we live. Yes. Desolated means spoiled or abandoned. Yes, nowadays we are doing some activities and spoil the earth. Yes, by using plastics, cutting down the trees and etc. If we are going on spoiling the earth by doing like this, where we have to live in the future? Come, let us see in this lesson. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India established 3 colonies. Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw her sleeping in her capsule. In the story, they told about in the future 2068, after 47 years later, what will happen if we destroy the earth? Yes, we have to move some other planet. Already you know that scientists are researching that life is possible on Mars. Yes, they sent a satellite also. What is the name of that? Yes, Mangalyaan. So in the future, the people started colonizing the red planet Mars. India also established 3 colonies. Okay, colonies means settlements. Arivumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, Arivumadi's grandfather travelled more than 1500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached to see her, she was sleeping in her capsule. Here capsule means a small cylinder shaped bed. You can see in the picture. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised. "Grandpa, when did you come? I was thinking that you won't be coming for my birthday." He sighed, "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Sometimes it even lasts for a month, but this time it did not. So I am on time. It still took me 3 sols to reach here. Now come on, let us not waste time. We will go to harvest the vegetation hab for vegetables." Grandpa went near Arivumadi. He said, "Wake up, Arivu." Arivumadi was surprised because she thought that he won't be coming for her birthday. He said that, "Don't you know about the dust storm of Mars? Yes, sometimes it even lasts for a month, but this time it did not." Look at the picture. This is dust storm, that is sandstorm. Grandpa said that this time there is no dust storm. So he was on time. And also he took 3 sols to reach here. Here sols means 3 Martian days. Then he said, "Not to waste time. Come, let us go to harvest vegetation hab for vegetables." Look at the picture. This is vegetation hab, where the vegetables grow on Mars. Let us continue the lesson in the next video.